Is a cordless stick vacuum, and we're going to put it all together for you guys. So we'll save that. This looks like the head of it, and we got to get everything out of the plastic, of course. Take a look. There it is. That looks nice, huh? How's that? Is that better shot? Okay, let's set that there. This, I don't know what it is, but it just fell out of there. So here's some more pieces. I think this is like a telescoping wand. So we got that. Got that. Oh, this is to put it up on a wall. We'll say that. I don't know what this is. This is a part of the extensor. Extends it. Set that over there. All right, so we've got these, right? Let's go ahead and pull this out. Set it over here. All right, so we got more parts here. See what we got. Here's this piece that fell out. I think that has to do with, this is what you screw it onto the wall with. So we'll set that over there. This is the charger. It's your typical charger, right? Take a look at it. Put that over there. What do we got here? Oh, this is some of the stuff that you do with it. There's a crevice. I think it's a crevice to it. Yep, there it is. And it's got this special thing on it that you can pull down. So it goes two ways. Oh, you got to press this. I think here, hang on. Yeah. So this slides up and slides down depending on what you're cleaning. So you guys see that. This looks like the body of the vacuum itself, I do believe. Go ahead and pull it out. There it is. Bam. So here we are. Take a look at it. It's already working. There's the power button right there. I just pressed it. So it's got eco and turbo, right? And this looks like the area where you pop it and then the dirt falls out. So that looks pretty simple. This here, I'm not sure what it does. Maybe we pull this off of there. Let's see. We're gonna have to figure that out. I know it does something. Oh, here we go. All right, so that's how that works. So this goes in here like that, and you press this, and it pops out. One more time, let me show you. So this is the thing that pops this out. You gotta pull it kind of hard, but all right. So that's that. Let's set that there. Okay, now let's go and put it together, right? This goes there. Yes, I'm pretty sure it does. So here we are. Here we are, and this has got a little release on it. So I think that's how it goes, right? Like that. And that. So then this little thing catches right here, and then I push it, snap it in to get it off. Go like that. So it's like that, right? One more time. Comes off like that. Goes on like that. Okay, now up here, we've got where the little things go. I know it's not that side. It's got to be like this, right? Do you think? Let's see. So I'm thinking it goes like this. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. Right, so that's that. Oh, there we go. All right, so if you push this forward, it's going to lock in there. And then you really, so if this goes forward, then you got to really pop it to get it open. So it's not, there's no release, it just goes like that. So when you do put it like this, it's so it stands up straight. So you can put it in the corner of your room. So if I go like that, right? And I set it down here, and then I put this on there, like that, the whole thing just stands there, stands up. Let me show you. So you can just set it in a room somewhere. So now when you're ready to use it, what you got to do is just kind of pop it here, and it pops down. And then you go ahead and turn it on here, and it's working. Then if you want turbo blast, you hit this. That's it. Turn it off, just right there. Now, if you want to put it in the corner, you go like that, and the thing just stands up by itself. You don't even need to attach it to anything. That's pretty good. So let's take a look at her. Looks pretty good. Bam. All right, to charge it, you've got your little charge plug here. If you look on the side here, you're going to see that there's a little hole right there, and you just snap it in like that. And then all you've got to do is grab your plug and just plug it in. And here we have our little plug. Push it right in, just like that. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Now we got our charging. So you can see that we're getting just one. I guess we got to wait until we get all three of these. If you don't want to carry this all the way, you can just pop this right here. And this is the battery. All right, so you can set the battery right over here and let the battery charge up, right? And that's where the battery goes, right there. And if you look on here, you can see the lights. So we could just set it right just like this if we wanted to. and that way we can see if it's ready to go. Once it's fully charged, we can just take it, and remember, blue side up. You bring it in here, and just pop it right in just like this, watch. Bam, Bob's your uncle, done. And that's how you get the battery back in. And this is much cheaper than the Dyson, and supposedly it works better. So we're gonna try it out at the house and see what we think. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.